When you think about manufacturing, it's just a collection of equipment that's strung together. And it's the people that give it a heartbeat, bring that equipment to life, and it's the Ashland teams that truly make it special.
It's lean operations. When we talk about reducing our footprint, we're finding ways to continue to produce more with less raw materials. We're making lighter products that are maybe smaller packaging so we can ship more. So I mean, it makes a lot of business sense.
Our manufacturing folks keep identifying how we can be better, how we can be more efficient. And there are many productivity improvement ideas from our manufacturing team.
Because we have to manufacture our products in a sustainable way, we have to provide the right sort of environment for both our customers and our employees for the long term.
We have local capabilities to customize the solution to tailor the requirements of that particular country's needs, right? But we need to do it in such a way that our solution passes or meets the threshold that is set by that particular region.
So it's really about how do we utilize more natural and sustainable raw materials, renewable energy, clean and efficient manufacturing processes. And if you think about it, that's just good business because the result is lower cost, higher output, and that in turn makes our life-improving products available to everybody.